What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check Instagram sent follow request. Now in order to check this guys, you want to go ahead and ensure that you click on your profile icon on the lower right hand side. Right from here you want to go ahead and you want to click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, the three lines rather. Then from here you want to click on account center, and then you want to scroll down to where it says your information and permissions. Click on that, and then you want to click download your information. Then you want to go ahead and click the button that says download or transfer your information, and you want to ensure that you select the account for that Instagram account or this current Instagram account that you're on, and then click next. Then you want to choose some of your information, and then you want to scroll all the way down guys to where it says followers and following, and you want to check on that and click next. From here you want to download to the device, and then you want to go ahead and choose your date range. So you can choose from last year, all time, last 3 months, 6 months, etc. And then you want to go ahead and hit the save button there, and then you want to hit create files. Now this will take a few minutes to download, and once it is downloaded you will be able to see that information here just like myself. You can hit the download button and that will download the file for you. Now I've already gone ahead and done that, so I'm going to show you how to check that file. So on an Android phone you want to simply go to files, and you want to open up your my files and go to downloads, and you will find that folder here in a zip. You can unzip that folder, and then once it is unzipped you can open up that folder. Go to the connections folder and then open up the followers and following folder. From here you have quite a lot of different data that you can see: block accounts, close friends, followers, followings, etc. And you will be able to see that pending follower list and also the recent follower request as well. So you can open up both of these files and you can basically see those requests as well. Both files will give you the data so that you can see the request that you sent but not yet accepted, and also requests that has sent to you that you haven't accepted. Right now, another way how to easily get this data guys is within your Instagram. If someone sent you a follower request, then you can easily find that on your profile. So you want to click on home, and then you want to click on the heart button on the uppermost right hand side. That will also show red, a little red dot that tells you that there is some notification there for you to check. So if you tap on that, you will be able to see that follower request. And as you can see right there, I have one follower request, and I can tap on that. And from there, you will be able to see the follower request. So if you have multiple follower requests, you will also be able to see those chain in here, and you can basically click on that to confirm that follower request by simply hitting confirm, and that you will see that you've now accepted the follower request. And that's how we can easily check that guys. Very easy and very simple.